Well, the snow is coming down across the area, and we've already had some localized snowfall accumulation amounts here. Let's take a look right now at Yawgoo Valley, where it looks a lot more like a ski resort now after the last hour or so. Richmond has already gotten around 1.5 inches of snow here, and those accumulations are going to continue to pile up as we head through the overnight tonight into Sunday as well, with a lot of opportunities in the next 24 hours or so for some snowfall accumulations to continue. We are under a winter storm warning. As I mentioned a little while ago, the areas in pink expected to get the highest amount of snowfall accumulations here, including towns such as Burrillville, Woonsocket, Scituate, Foster, and Smithfield. The areas below in purple here under a winter weather advisory, we're expecting accumulations in those areas as well, just not as high or impactful as the areas in pink. We are also under a wind advisory in the areas in brown here, which includes Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket, and Cape Cod, where we could see wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. There also is a small craft advisory for the offshore areas because of those higher wind gusts due to this storm. And let's take a look at that wind gust forecast here. You can see the difference offshore, significantly higher throughout this storm compared to inland. Still gusty all around from this system, but we're going to, as I mentioned, see those localized higher wind gusts down offshore towards the islands here. Temperatures right now across the area right around that freezing point here. We're seeing all snow right now, but that is expected to change, especially towards the coastal areas as we head towards Sunday morning, with a little bit higher temperatures due to an easterly wind coming off the warmer waters here. But right now we're right around 32 in Providence, 33 in Narragansett, Taunton slightly warmer right now at 37. So with that, the threat tracker for tonight staying at medium, as well as Sunday and Sunday night. The reason I bumped up Sunday night is although the snowfall is going to taper off as we head towards the overnight, temperatures are going to drop significantly, causing a flash freeze, which could make driving conditions hazardous due to very icy conditions on the roadways. Here's your severity index here. We're kind of going along with that warning. The area in red, kind of right in the northwest corner of Rhode Island, expecting the highest impacts in our immediate area, with that starting to decrease as we head towards the coastline, not seeing as high of those accumulations. Looking right now, dark blues across the area with that heavier snowfall moving through right now. And these conditions are going to stay that way as we head towards the overnight into Sunday, with plenty of opportunities for that snow to move through. So as we continue on here, looking at snowfall overnight tonight, you can see this pink line here. That's that mixing that I mentioned with that rain and mixed precipitation during the morning hours. But any mixed precip that we do see will turn to snow again in the afternoon as those temperatures drop, bring another round of heavy snowfall possible as we head towards the evening hours, before finally starting to taper off as we head towards Sunday night. But then something to be mindful of Sunday night into Monday morning, as I mentioned, is that flash freeze with the very icy conditions as we head towards the start of your Monday. And here's a look at those snow totals for the forecast here. The highest totals being in the area in dark blue, kind of coinciding with that warning that we're seeing. Your Sunday morning here, again, the greatest chance during this time frame for that mixed precipitation to move through. But as those temperatures continue to drop as we head towards the afternoon, we're looking at conditions turning back into snow, with some heavier snowfall expected again in this time frame, bringing those snowfall accumulations even higher before the snowfall starts to taper off as we head towards the morning. But again, something to be mindful of with that freeze overnight. So again, a long way to go here. Conditions continuing to worsen overnight tonight, so avoid travel if you can throughout the day on Sunday. It's definitely going to be messy out there on those roads.
And I know tomorrow a lot of people will probably have to shovel a little bit.
Yeah, we're already going to probably be seeing some decent accumulations by the morning, especially in that northwest part of Rhode Island.
All right, thanks so much. Now in sports, the Providence Friars were on the road.